How to cure skin rashes naturally with options. A skin rash is a condition that is distinguished by change in color, texture and the appearance of the skin that is the cause of itching, inflammation, redness, pain and blisters. There are different types of rashes that can occur in many parts of the body. These rashes can be so irritating and cause discomfort. Sometimes, skin rashes are caused when the skin is intensely irritated by an internal or external factor. The causes can come from different sources such as poison ivy, friction, fungi, insect bites and viruses. Skin rashes are your skin's reaction from simple itching and redness to painful blisters. Luckily, by just using natural remedies that are found in your homes, you can cure skin rashes naturally. Apply enough amount of olive oil into the affected area. This is well known for its curative power and act as a moisturizer. It also has skin healing properties that are effective in treating skin rashes and are also good for skin renewal. Use aloe vera by applying it to the affected area 3 to 4 times a day. This plant is one of the most popular ingredients in almost all of the skin products, noted for its soothing and healing characteristics to the skin. Always include citrus fruits in your diet. Everybody knows that citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that are helpful in treating skin rashes. As much as possible, include tomatoes, sweet potatoes, and broccoli in your diet, which is also rich in vitamin C. To avoid worsening the affected area with rashes, do not scratch it because this will only make the problem worse and can even cause injuries to your skin. Treat skin rashes as soon as it appears with natural remedies mentioned above. If you opt to use oatmeal, use warm water instead of hot water because hot water may aggravate the itchiness on the skin. If the rashes increased even after treating them, consult your doctor as soon as possible.